Alright guys, so this first look is super easy and very achievable. This is basically like an everyday simple look, and then you amp it up with some rhinestones. So I'm taking this gorgeous like centerpiece right to my forehead and sticking that in place. I picked up all of these rhinestones from Walmart, and then I'm adding like the little teardrops just underneath the eye. And I did use a little bit of lash glue just to keep these in place because I felt like the adhesive wasn't super sticky. The centerpiece in the forehead was okay, but these ones I felt like needed a little bit of lash glue, so that's what I used to glue all these gems on. And then I took like these round gems, and I'm just kind of seeing where I felt like they looked good. I was just kind of winging it basically, so I added another one underneath the little teardrop, and basically just using some tweezers to place these onto the face, and again using some lash glue. I believed I used the Duo lash glue. I like the one that comes like with the wand, and it's the clear adhesive. And so, you know, again, just incorporating this to your everyday look. Like this look was very simple. I had minimal makeup on, as far as like no dramatic eyeshadow, just some mascara, of course my base, and then I highlighted the face a lot. But I feel like adding these rhinestones just amps up the look so much, and it's very achievable. And then I decided to go in with these more like teardrop shaped rhinestones. So I took one right between the brows, and then I'm also taking one on the outer corner of the eye, kind of like where a wing liner would be. I felt like it just kind of elongated the eyes a little bit. But I feel like this look is very easy, very achievable, gives you a little bit of glam. You cannot go wrong with some rhinestones. And I just felt like a fairy princess. I just love the way that it turned out. I just felt like glowy and ethereal, and yeah, this is the completed look. Alright guys, on to look number 2, which is also very achievable. It's using drugstore products, but basically I'm incorporating pops of color to amp up a simple look as well. And so first off, I'm going in with the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick in the shade Visionary, and I absolutely loved this color. I feel like it's just such a unique shade. It was like a muted cool tone purple, and I absolutely loved the formula as well. This was my first time trying this product. And now moving on to the eyes. So first off, I'm just going to define my crease with a little bit of bronzer. And I actually used the Wet n Wild, the MegaGlo contouring palette in the shade Caramel Toffee. So I just used that to define my crease and underneath the lower lash line. And now I'm going in with some Scotch tape. And what you want to do is put it on the back of your hand first and kind of get off some of the adhesive so it's not as sticky, because I already have my foundation and base on. So I just put that on the outer edges, and then I'm going in with this Maybelline eyeliner, and this is the Maybelline Lasting Drama eyeliner in the shade Moonlight Purple. It's just like a silvery purple color, and I used that to create the wing shape. And then I went into the Maybelline Eye Studio gel liner in the shade Blackest Black, and I just smudged a little bit of that into the purple and kind of blended that out with a pencil brush. Basically, I'm just trying to get a base down before I go in with some glitter. So I'm going in with the NYX glitter glue, and I like to take that just a little small amount to the back of my hand, and then I go in with my brush. And so I'll just tap a little bit of that onto the brush, and then you're just going to pack that onto the liner where you want your glitter to stick. So I'm just slowly patting that along the winged liner, and then I'm going to go into the NYX glitter, and we're going to use the shade, Violet, and it's such a stunning color. It has like a violet base, but a lot of reflex of different colors in it. So I just use that same brush to grab a little bit of the glitter, and then I start packing that on. And you just want to take your time with this. I do a little bit at a time until you get the full liner covered with the glitter, and it was just such a stunning color. I feel like you really didn't even need the base that I created underneath, but I wasn't quite sure where I was going with this, but I felt like it acted as a nice guide. And then I went ahead and removed the tape, and you have a nice sharp wing, and I just love the way this liner looked. And now I'm going in with this NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. This is the Brights palette, and I'm taking this gorgeous minty shade and highlighting the tear duct. I felt like this just tied the whole look together. It gave it an added pop of color. So I just packed that on, and basically this is the completed look. Alright guys, so on to look number 3, and for this look I'm really going to focus on metallic accents and designs and just amping up another simple look. I actually kept this same eyeshadow from the last look. I just darkened up my crease a little bit with some brown shadow, and then I'm going in with this eyeliner from Revlon. This is the Revlon Color Change Color Stay Skinny Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Platinum Stroke, and this is a liquid liner, so I just defined the center of the lip, the bridge of the nose, and now I'm going in and doing some detailing under the eyes. And basically I just kind of winged this as well. I just did some little dots under the eyes. It created like a little line. I'm just kind of doing various designs and kind of whatever I felt looked good, but obviously you want to keep it symmetrical, so I did it on both sides. And then I'm going in and defining the outer edge of my liner. I felt like the silver just kind of accented the purple really nicely. And then I'm going in with this little brush. This is from Eco Tools, and I'm actually just using the back side of it. I painted it with the liquid liner, and then I'm going in and creating some dots along my brows. And it was super simple. It was a nice way to get like a nice symmetrical circle. So I'm just kind of like dotting that onto my face, and I created that all along the arch of the brow on both sides. And then I'm going in and defining my crease, so kind of creating like a faux cut crease with this liner, and I felt like it just brought a little bit more definition to the eyes and just added, kind of like ties the whole look together, I feel like. And so same thing, the forehead I felt like needed a little bit of detailing, so I just created a line down the center, and then I'll add some little accent dots as well to kind of match underneath the eyes. So I hope you guys enjoyed these 3 easy ways to amp up an everyday look and get that perfect festival makeup. Thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I'll see you guys in my next one.